Okay, everybody. My God, it is 10 to 1 in the morning. I've been on this since 7 a.m. So crazy hours. Just learning a lot of different things though. So this is a big shout out to Ai-Profit Boardroom. Oh my God, if I hadn't realised, if I hadn't joined that, it wouldn't have sparked other ideas. So, which has led me on to this. Basically, I've named Rich, based in UK, and I work in IT. But I've rarely used AI. I saw ChatGPT, saw some things, and then obviously came on to Ai-Profit Boardroom, and when okay, let's really scale at this. So, what I've learned today is who dictation beats typing, right? And prompts and so on. So what I've seen is an amazing guy did an amazing video where he integrated things. So I'm going to show you in action. It's all live, and you'll be able to see how many kind of things I kind of do to get a result. So so what I've started thinking as well is like, what's my end result? What do I want? And then reverse engineer that. So the thing was, I was like, I need everything kind of structured. So there's Obsidian. I've been going through so many videos of Julian's, which are amazing. But I'm just like, okay, you need that, you need this, you need this. And I'm just like, whoa, I need to pull back and go, let's have a base foundation first, and then start creating content, start distributing content, start creating the websites and domain names. This means I've bought another 5 domains since I've started here, and I'm just like, okay, that's enough for the moment. I've got a lot of different courses and things which I can repurpose and one thing and another, and so some beautiful stuff which I'm going to start uploading and everything else. But this is it, the dictation. So just watch what I'm going to do now. Now it worked amazing at first, then it stopped working for a while, and on ChatGPT that is, and then I went on to Claude, and it were working. But here we go. I'm just going to press 2 keys. All right. And you'll see something pop up in a moment. There we go. Now, as you can see, it's picking all my waveforms up. Okay, so let's create a bare note. And I'm just going to click inside the Chat GPT. So I'm on Chat GPT now, as you can see with my cursor there. I'm talking to an app which I've installed called Superwhisper. Amazing. I've not even touched the surface of what it can do. It's so good with this. So I'm creating a kind of a note. It's on its kind of high level, if you will, but integrated within it is AI. And what I found was I was using Apple's Dictation, and I'd say chat or Chat GPT, and it put JAP, and I'm like, the level of intelligence on the Apple version, it'll probably get better and better the more I use that. That may be it, but this is all local as well. This in cloud, so security wise, that's another good thing. So, and it's using I think you can set it up with different language models and so on, which it will use, so Llama and all them kind of things. So here we go. So what I want, ChatGPT, will you create a bare note for me and put it in the inbox? We've set everything up earlier, and I'm doing another post for dictation beats typing, and then Superwhisper app. So create me a really amazing post, put emojis in there, make it look futuristic, or just make it look amazing. Do some research, and Julian Goldie is the main person on this, so maybe do a bit of research on him as well. But just show us how we can integrate creating notes with bare notes, put in all these emojis and so on, and then open that up. So there we go, chat. So that's what I want to do. Create that note and put it in inbox, please, and do that research. Thanks a lot. So now what I've done is I've stopped that recording. As you can see, it's populated in the area where I'd clicked earlier. So if I'd clicked in YouTube or Google or wherever, it'd populate it straight in there. So all I need to do now is just press enter. Now there is a way of doing this where you don't even have to press enter, you know, and you can see the text being typed, which looks really cool. But that's another thing. So what we've got now, as you can see on here, we've got I'll research Julian, Goldie's public material. So ChatGPT is doing its work now. All right, it's going to pull all this together. Now, I've just done this prior to this. Now, occasionally I'll see something in the bottom where it'll say allow once or continue, you know, so you just press enter. Did you see that? That pop up on the screen and the bare notes pop up? That's it, it's done it. So it's just done that post. So the next step is to be able to transfer that over into thingamajig here. So what I'm going to do, there is another way of doing this as well. So we're just going to copy that. Now, oh yeah, that's another thing. Yeah, and I'm just going to paste it in there, and look at that. Hey, so now what I need to do is save this recording, upload it to YouTube. I'll put a description on in YouTube via this, but how neat is that? It's just amazing. So thanks a lot, guys. Just wanted to show you this. I'll do some more videos about this and as it goes on, but yeah, cool. I'll catch you all later. Bye for now.